Hey guys, if you're planning a retreat, I'm going to show you a way to stay completely organized. This retreat planner will help you to track the event details, the attendees information, how much they've paid, how much is owed. This will help you to track your budget and your expenses. There is a planning checklist. This sheet is your principal registration table checklist. You can plan your meals. You can track your vendor payments, plan your itinerary. This sheet again is available in Google Sheets and Excel. You can buy it on my website at savvyandthriving.com. Okay, let's get started. So first we are at the retreat dashboard, and you can simply come in here and type in, your retreat name, the dates of your retreat, the location, the address. And this will bring in your budget and expenses automatically from the budget tab, and also how much is owed and received. This is coming in from your registration tracker automatically. You can write down the meal information, who's coordinating the meals. You can write your theme, your purpose, activities, what's your capacity for registration, how many attendees. Again, this is coming in over from the registration tracker, and the number of scholarships needed, that's coming over from the registration tracker. You can customize this to-do list. And you can check things off as you get them done. Next, this is the retreat registration tracker. This will tell you how many have registered, how much is owed, how much is received, how much is remaining, how many scholarships are needed, and how much scholarship money is needed. So you can come in and put the person's name, their address, phone, and email, their emergency contact name and number, the date they registered, their room number assignment, if they have any allergies, any special needs, like they need early check-in or a first floor, their role, so you can choose from the drop-down box if they're a guest, volunteer, speaker, or facilitator. If there's a scholarship needed, yes or no. How much is needed. So if the total amount owed is, $800, and they could say they need $400, that helps you to know how much scholarships you need. You can put the deposit amount, whether or not it's been received, what date they paid the deposit, how much they've paid total. So let's say they've paid $200 so far. This will automatically track how much is owed left, what date that they have paid, the payment method, when they pay in full. You can check this off. Have they signed forms, any special requests, and you can just check off if they've checked in or not here. If you need to change anything like forms, instead of forms you wanted to write waiver, you can change that very easily. This is your budget. So you can put on the left side, you can put, what funds have received. If it's coming from different sources, if you're a nonprofit, you can put this here, or you can just put, attendee registration, and then you can put in the amount of money that's been received, and then that will calculate how much is received. You can put in your entire budget here as well. This will calculate how much has been spent from here in J, and then it will tell you how much money is remaining. This section on the very right will show you how much has been spent by category. So as you fill out this information here, this on the right will change. And as well on the top, it'll show you expenses by category, and you can just scroll over and see, I've spent $1,700 on transportation. So we can put in the date, we can choose the category, the place, our budget, and then how much has been spent. And then again, everything will change based on how much you've spent. There's a retreat checklist, so you can name your retreat name. You can put the event date here if you'd like. And then, let's start here. So if we've got, your main items that need to be done, arrange dates, we want to do this by the 1st. Once you've done with that, you can check that off. Anything at the top can be changed, so you're welcome to change the headings for whatever your needs are. This is your printable registration table form, and so you are welcome to use this as it is. The information, the person's name is coming over automatically from the registration tracker, but if you don't want to use it that way and you want to print it out as well, you are more than welcome to. What I would do is delete all of this here and then highlight the first row, grab the little dot and drag it down, and then you can print it out. Here is a meal planner. So this will calculate the total cost for your meals, and so if we wanted to do a different day, you can just choose the meal, the time, the menu, the number of guests, any dietary needs, any supplies needed, what the status is, have you planned it, and the notes, and then the cost as well. We have a vendor payment tracker. So this is really helpful to track your vendors to make sure have they been paid or not. And so you can track those things here. So you can put in, the vendor name, the person that you're working with, their phone, email, their website, the service, the cost, if we've paid anything so far, the date paid, the status, so we can pay the deposit, the due date, your payment method, and notes. Here is your event itinerary. So you can come in here and customize this for whatever works for you. So you can start the day off, and put in exactly what is going to happen for each one. If you needed to add in a different day, you're more than welcome to. You would highlight each column, right click it, insert columns to the right, grab these two at the top, hit copy, and then paste, and then now you have another day if that's needed. And then I have a simple to-do list as well. So you can put your task, the due date, and then check it off as it's complete. That's how this sheet works. I hope this helps you. Again, it's available on my website at savvyandthriving.com. Let me know if you have any questions. I'd love to hear from you. I have over 450 sheets to help you, your business, and your home, your budget to be organized. Let me know if you have questions, and you guys have a great day.